What's the meaning of Canuck? Canuck. Canuck.
Canuck. Canuck. Canuck is a slang term used to refer to people from Canada. It is often used in an informal or friendly context. The term originated in the 19th century and has since become a widely recognized nickname for Canadians. The origins of the word are unclear, but some suggest that it may be derived from the French word Canadian or the Chinook jargon word Kanaka. In modern usage, Canuck can be used to describe anything associated with Canada, such as music, sports teams, or food.